Sup YouTube, it's your boy Southside Customs back at it with another video. And today I got the custom made cactus plant flea market / Stussy collab. If you want to know how this bag is made, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so for this particular project, I used an old pair of jeans and a fur jacket that I had kept. I simply cut up into pieces and eventually assembled it into the bag eventually. I'm not going to go into detail and in depth as I mentioned in the disclaimer, but if you like, I'll put a link in the description below so that you could go and check out the PDF diagram and download it. There you'll find a more detailed description that I've hand drawn and put together so that you have a more detailed idea of how I went about making the bag.